Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here watching my videos, please do subscribe my channel and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future videos. Today's video we are going to check how to backup and restore the files using Windows Files History. First, let us see how to do backup files using Files History. If you are not backing up your computer regular base, you never know when your hard drive will fail or your files will be accidentally deleted or some virus or malware infected. All these things affect to lose your data. For avoiding losing your important data, Windows 10 has a primary backup feature called File History. The File History tool automatically saves multiple versions of a given file, so you can go back up in time and restore a file before it was changed or deleted. That's especially useful for files that change frequently, like Word documents or PowerPoint presentations. By default, File History backup all the folders in your user account folder. These include your desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, and a few other folders. Let us see how to enable File History. File History is designed to be quick and easy to enable, unlike other complex backup tools. To enable it, first you have to connect your external drive or USB flash drive. Then is the search box. Type backup and click backup settings, and here you have to click add a drive. Before clicking this one, you have to connect your USB drive. That will appear here. So I connected my USB, that is showing here. Just select it and it is automatically enabled. You can see here. And Windows will automatically backup your files to the drive whenever you connect it to your computer. Now let us see how to configure File History. Select more options to configure how often File History backs up, how long it keeps those backup copies, and most importantly which files it backs up. Click more options. It will open the backup options window, and File History automatically backup your files every hour by default, but you can select a different time here. And it will normally keep your backups forever, but you can have it delete them when they become 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 9 months or 1 year or 2 year old. You can also have File History automatically delete backup as necessary to make space on your File History drive. By default, File History will be set to backup important folders in your user account's home folder. This includes the desktop files, documents files, download files, music files, pictures files, and video folders. You can check the full list of folders in this window. And if you want to add any folder, you can click add for a folder, then choose that folder. And if you want to remove any folder from here, just select that folder and click remove. It will remove from the list. If you go down, you can find and exclude this folders section that allows you to exclude specific subfolders from being backed up. For example, you have a document folder. There is one subfolder that you don't want to back it up. So just click here, and for example, in this folder, I don't want to back up this folder. Just choose this folder, and it won't back up anyway. So it is hiding here. Now you can see here that folder added here. Now for starting backup, just go up and click backup now. It will back up your files to your USB drive. Now you can see the backup is complete. Now you can see the backup size is here, and if you open the USB drive, you can see file history folder here, 3.75 GB, and you can see also 3.75 GB. Now let us check how to restore files from your backup using file history. For doing this one, you just type restore in search box and click restore your files with file history. In this window you can see all backed up files here. So now what I am going to do is I will just delete one file from actual folder. I will delete this file here. It's gone, and now I will go same folder here, saved picture, and I selected this one. Click to restore. Now it's restored to original location. You can see here pictures, saved pictures. Now it's come here. So very simple. Now let us see how to restore files from within File Explorer. So for doing this one, just to go to the specific folder. For example, this one I will delete again this one from here. It's deleted. So just right click and click restore previous versions and select this one, then click open in file history and select click restore. It's restored here. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries, comment below the video. I will look into it.